Hello, my name is Hui Kunbi, and I am assistant professor at the Institute of Computing Technology, Chinese Academy of Sciences. In this video, I will briefly introduce our work using first-person view for pedestrian trajectory prediction. Many works use the top-down view images to predict pedestrian trajectories. Although the top-down view images can be captured by cameras and shared between pedestrians, lacking dynamic scenes contexts might cause problems. For the first time, we propose to use simulated first-person view images to introduce detailed dynamic scenes contexts like eagle motions. In this study, we first rendered the first-person view images using our in-house built first-person view simulated FvSim. Then we proposed the Future, a deep learning model to capture the social interactions and visual features from the simulated images, which achieves state-of-the-art performance. For more details of our work, please read our paper or watch our 10-minute video. Thanks for watching.